Did you know that some people live their entire lives asking permission from people who have zero authority over their choices? Meet Priya, a 30-year-old marketing manager who couldn't even cut her hair without calling her mum first. She'd ask friends before buying clothes she absolutely loved. She even sought co-workers' opinions about what to eat for lunch. Her therapist finally said something that changed everything. Priya, you're treating yourself like a child who needs adult supervision for personal decisions. That's when it hit her. She had almost turned down her dream job because her ex-boyfriend said it wasn't a good fit. She delayed moving to her favorite city because her family wasn't ready for her to leave. So Priya flipped the script. She started making decisions first, then informing people second. Suddenly, her choices felt authentic and aligned with her values. But here's the twist. The people she used to ask permission from got upset. They missed being her unofficial life controllers. Priya realized the truth. Adults don't need permission to live their own lives.